Hi, welcome to Mati's cookbook. Today's recipe is a very tasty Alapi vegetable curry. These are the ingredients we need to make this vegetable curry. First, boil some water in a pan, and once it comes to the rolling boil stage, add 1 cup of cauliflower, 1 carrot, 1/4 cup of chayote or chow chow, and parboil these vegetables in water. To this, add 2 teaspoons of frozen green peas. Once they are parboiled, drain the water from the vegetables and set them aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once it turns hot, add mustard seeds and jeera seeds and let them get roasted. Once they are roasted, add some curry leaves, followed by 2 slit green chilies. Now add sliced ginger and garlic and saute them. The ginger and the garlic will give a great flavor to this curry. Now add in some chopped small onions. If you do not have small onions, replace them with big onions that are cut in lengthwise. Once the onions have turned soft, add the parboiled vegetables. Mix them together until they all are combined. Now add about 3/4 cup of water. Season them with required amount of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and finally 1/4 cup of mango cubes. Combine all of them together. The mango cubes that are added will give a great taste to this curry, but do not add more mango cubes. Cook them until all the vegetables have turned soft. Give them a mix and add 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Here I have used homemade First coconut milk. You can also use store-bought coconut milk. Stir them together and add in some paneer cubes. It is completely optional to add some paneer cubes in this curry. Let it come to a 1 rolling boil stage. While that is happening, combine 1/2 teaspoon of corn flour with 1/4 cup of water and mix them without any lumps. Once the curry begins to boil, keep the flame in a low and quickly add in the corn flour mixture. Stir the curry quickly after adding the corn flour. The corn flour acts as a binding and thickening agent for this curry. Let it boil in low flame until it gets thickened. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for this curry to get thickened after we add the corn flour mixture. Now our curry is ready. This Alleppey vegetable curry can be served with rice or roti. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.